Complaint Monitoring Control Room and Call Center. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Commission. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to define control room and call center, explain the different components of district control room, identify different officials, offices, persons, facilities for collection of their contact numbers, maintain the complaint register. What is the definition of call center and control room? A control room is a central space where a large physical facility or physically dispersed service can be monitored and controlled. It is often part of a larger command center, whereas a call center is a center which handles inbound and outbound calls from different sections. A 24/7 call center shall be established in the control room at the district level. They shall operate from the date of announcement of the election. District control room consists of mainly following three components: communication control room, media control room, and webcasting control room. Communication control room. This control room shall be set up with the adequate communication infrastructure and have adequate number of teams for each district or group of districts for the purpose of poll day monitoring and communication by drawing effective manpower from different offices. Media monitoring control room. A separate control room should be set up to monitor the coverage on national and state media with special emphasis on the local media for poll day events. Webcasting control room. A separate control room should also be set up to keep a close watch on webcasting data for the entire polling period. Facilities to be provided at district call center and control room. Toll-free number, 324 hunting lines, adequate furniture, computer and printer, internet line, and sufficient manpower. A senior officer shall be put in charge of the control room and call center. Shall be responsible for receiving and recording the complaints and passing them on to the officer concerned or the flying squad for action without any delay. Collection of contact numbers. Collection of contact numbers, fax and email address of these officials, ECI officials, CO officials, district level officers and staff, RO level officers and staff, ARO level officers and staff, BLOs, sector officers, all polling personnel, or police officers, micro observers, assistant expenditure observers, videographers and digital cameramen, all officers and staff of the different cells, observers, their licensing officers, drivers and bodyguards, political parties, candidates and their agents, electronic and print media people, collection centers and dispatch centers, control room, SST, FST teams, helplines, strong rooms and their in charges, private persons residing near the polling stations, all hospitals, civil surgeon and other doctors, important hotels, guest houses, cinema halls, video halls, airport, bus stand, railway station, all offices of central government, PSU, state government and local bodies, ambulance services and their drivers, fire brigade, commandant, deputy commandant of CAPF, officials of NCC, Scouts and NSS, important education institutions, printing press, transporters, personnel who sustain injury or die during election duty. In case of any violent incident, attack, untoward incident involving polling personnel, police personnel, CAPF, there shall be a minute-to-minute monitoring of evacuation and treatment process from the district control room. All complaints should be entered in the complaint register with the date and the timing. The format is shown on the screen. Poll day complaint register. In the district control room, a separate assembly-wise register shall be maintained for every assembly constituency in the district. On the left-hand page, the complaint received in respect of the polling station will be logged in, and on the opposite page, the instructions issued to the field and response received from them on these complaints will be recorded. The format of the poll day complaint register is shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about the complaint monitoring control room and call center. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can contact the web address as shown. Thank you.